Hello and welcome to this tutorial. So today I will show you how to use the CSV import function to populate your clubs, and then we'll see how to combine it with a tag system to quickly populate the rounds and the session. So let's start by creating a new club. Let's give it like a 3 characters code and a name. Then from here, I can use the import function. So this is this button here, the green button. So let's click on import. I can drag and drop my file, or I can simply click and select the CSV file. Make sure when you export the CSV file from, for example, Excel, that it's delimited by commas and not semicolons. Let's click here. Let's select the CSV file. Once the file is processed, I've got some options before the competitors are imported. So if my file does not include any header, I can click here. As you can see, I have now generic names for each column. This is not the case anymore because the first row is not correct. So let's click back on header row. Then Scolder is trying to be a little bit smart and it tries to figure out automatically which column may be the number column and which one is the name. As you can see here, I also have the option to merge two columns. So if I am not happy about the detection from Scolder, I can select which one is the column for the numbers, and if none, I can select none. If the system is wrong here and I want to merge two other columns, I can select which one I want to merge. Or if I do only wish to import one column as the full name, I can select my column by clicking on this button, and now I only have one column imported. Let's go back to merging two columns, first name and last name. As you can see, you do not need to perfectly spell or write last name and first name. The system is also looking for surname, it's looking for different versions, basically. Then I do have a tags option. So the number, the GNZ number, the first name, the last name, I do not wish them to be imported as tags. However, the 4 last column, discipline, session, category, and groups, I wish to import them as tags. So as you can see, my first competitor will be imported with the name Nicholas Jarrow merge, and then the first tag will be mag, then level 5, then session 1, then group 1. Let's import those 4 competitors. So as you can see, the numbers are properly filled in here, same for the name, the 2 columns have been merged, first name and last name as name. If I click here, I can see the tags that have been assigned to each competitors. As you can see, I do have WAG level 6, session 1 and group 1 for Adele, etc. for the others. If I wish to import or to create other tags for the competitors, so for example, let's click and save level 6 for this competitor, I can do the operation in here. I click plus, and now I do have a 5th tag, which is level 6. If I do wish to remove some tags, I can just click on the little bin icon here. So let's remove it. Okay, so now let's populate the rounds with the competitors what we have been added. Let's go to rounds. Let's create 2 rounds, one for mag, which is for WAG first, sorry, which has the level 6 and the name. Then we'll create another round, a mag round this time, which is level 5, and then a name. Let's call it all around again. I will not change any of the options here, so let's close it. And then, if I want to populate my round, so here mag, which is selected, I can click on the plus button for the competitors. So here I have 3 options. I can select the competitors by clubs. As you can see, I only have 1 clubs. I can select them by tags, which I will show you after, or you can use the search function. So let's click on search. So here I will start typing, for example, a name, and as you can see, as soon as someone is found, it's displayed here, and I can select and add them automatically. This function here is looking for a match in the name of a competitor or the number. So if I start typing NZ, it's working as well. However, we're going to use the tag system here. So let's go back to the text. Here I want to import the competitors which are mag with the tag level 5. So let's choose these ones. And as you can see, I do have 2 competitors matching the 2 tags. So let's select them and then click add. And now they have been added. I had another one actually already selected, which I do not want, so I can delete this one from here. Now let's populate this round here. So here I will do the same, use the tag function, and then we want the WAG competitors with level 6. And so I do have 2 competitors matching these tags, so let's add them. And that's all for the rounds. So let's go to the session tab. I will create 2 sessions, a mag session and a work session. So let's do this, session 1. So to populate the sessions, I need to create groups. So let's create 1 group for mag, and then 2 groups for WAGs, for example. So in the mag session, I will assign my round. I only have 1 mag round, so let's assign this one. I will do the same. I only have 1 WAG round anyway, so let's assign it to a session. If I go back to the mag session, I can expand my group here and then select the competitors from the selected rounds which should be included in this group. The selector is very similar. I can use the round selection or the tags or the search option. Here we will use the tag option. So I want to import in this group the competitors having the group 1 tag and the session 1, because we are in session 1, let's say. And I do have 2 competitors matching with 2 tags, so I can select them all, add them here. To be complete, I will add them to the rotation as well. It's only a couple of clicks. So let's click fill, and now all the competitors from this group are added to the rotations, and then I wish also to shift them. So now Cameron is first, then Nicholas, then Cameron, then Nicholas, etc. Let's do the same for the WAG session. So in group 1, I wish to import the competitors that are in session 1, not really useful. And then, more important, the competitors that are in group 1. And now, I only have 1 competitor matching these tags, and I want to select Adele. I will add her to the group, and then automatically populate the rotation. So now she's in the rotation. Let's do the same for the second group. I can select Add. I will go to the tags, and now I want the competitors in the group number 2. And so I do have Celine, which is matching this tag. I select her, and now she's added. I can click Fill for my rotation. And that's it. So as you can see, it's very, very easy and quick when you combine the CSV import and the tag system to populate your round, session, and clubs. Hopefully you found this tutorial interesting, and then I will see you later for another one. Thank you very much.